In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram automatically closing in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is open the settings on your phone, scroll until you find the apps manager right here. Go to apps. Now here on this page you will find all the apps that you have downloaded on your phone. Scroll until you find Instagram, or you can just go to the search bar right here and search for Instagram. Anyway, click on Instagram, click on force stop right here. After you click on force stop, now click on notifications management. Make sure that all notifications are enabled like this. Now go back, click on the storage, click on clear data and clear cache. Now restart your phone, reopen Instagram, and the problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching the video until the very end. See you later.